Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Yoga means not just asanas. Yoga means, as a guru, as a teacher, he tells you ahara, vihara, vyavahara, vichara, achara, grahachara, all the domains. Have you brought change or not? Have you changed to become person or not? For you to change these things, it may take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Or even 30 years also it may not take. What's the point? It is in the students' hands. And to bring that change within them, not the teacher's hands. If the teacher doesn't teach you, that's the teacher's problem. But I am covering all aspects of yoga. Then my student should implement, how quickly he implements all these aspects in his day-to-day living, that only I see. And so far I see hardly there are any students. Only 1 or 2 areas they implement, remaining all areas completely dull. And they expect it to become a yogi, they expect it to stay healthy and happy. No, they have the same emotions like anyone else. In no way I find them different from others. Because for them they are doing yoga like exercise. So, yoga is not exercise. Yoga is a program for the brain. And to become a transformed person, to change our habits, to change our behavioral patterns, to become a better human, a good human, a cultured human, respecting the circadian rhythm. And still my students are sleeping late. Okay, because of the work it's okay. It's not because of the work. And they are sleeping late night about 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. What can I say? First thing I explain to my students is respecting the circadian rhythm, going early to the bed and raising early in the morning. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and drop your arms and free your arms. First Adhyatmika Krama I will show, then low resistance exercise I will show, then high resistance or medium resistance I will show, and then low intensity. So that is a style in which we are doing. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Ekam dvena tre four tre four five six seven inhale, exhale and bring your arms down. Adha Chakati Chakrasana Karishyami. Freeing your lumbar sacrum. Ekam dvena rena yatara vanchama shadama saptama. Free your shoulders. Merum madhya chakrasana karishyami. Inhale, exhale exhale 3, inhale 4, exhale 4, inhale 5, exhale 5, inhale 6, exhale 6, inhale 7, exhale 7, inhale, arms up, exhale, your arms down, free your arm, stand freely, free your back, inhale, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, ऊर्ध्वं मेरु चक्रासन करिष्ये, far upper spine, inhale 1, exhale 1, inhale 2, exhale 2, inhale 3, exhale 3, inhale 4, exhale 4, inhale 5, exhale 5, inhale 6, exhale 6, inhale 7, exhale 7, inhale, arms up, exhale, arms down, free your arm, inhale, exhale, left and right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, free your shoulder, having finished 3 axial rotational directional movements with the spine, now we are moving in sagittal frontal plane stretches. Inhale, urdhvam baham, urdhvam talasana, karishyami. Inhale, stretch your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, your arms into front, free your shoulder, drop your arm, free your arm, drop your arm, free your arm. Gently. Now the next one is free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Free your shoulders, free your back, free your shoulders, free your spine. Next one is the left side of the spine, Vama Meru Urdhva Chalana, Talasana. Inhale. Urdhva Chalana, Talasanam. Vama Meru Vikshanam. Inhale. Stretch your arms up behind and tie attention on the left side of the spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, exhale, free your shoulders, drop your arms down. Gently free your arms and hold your right wrist. Inhale, or before that, free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold your right arm. Inhale, stretch your right arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, free your shoulders, bring your arms down, free your arms. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Tiryak meru purvottara uttara meru chalana. Inhale, stretch your arms up, keep your arms behind. Inhale, exhale, free your shoulder, bring your arms down, free your arm, free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Dakshina Chalanam. Trikonasana karishyami. Free your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now leave your right leg free. Keep your right hand above the waistline. Inhale, stretch your left arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Watch your left underarm. Vikshanam. Vamacha vakshasthalam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, exhale, free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stand on your right leg, push your right hip onto the right side. Keep your left hand above the left hip. Inhale, stretch your right arm up. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, stretch your arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, exhale. Bring your arm down, free your shoulder, free your arm, free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bring your right foot little away, 2 feet distance or 1.5 feet distance if you are 5 feet 4 inches shorter. Inhale and keep your right hand in the groin. So down the hip bone. Inhale, stretch your left arm up. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Bring your arms down and bring free your arm. Inhale, exhale, free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bring your left foot. Keep it straight to the right foot, facing the center. Keep your left hand down the hip, in the groin. Inhale, stretch your right arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, exhale. Ekam dvena trena chatura panchama षडमा saptama. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, bring your arms down, your feet straight, free your shoulder. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Free your shoulders, drop your shoulders. Your right foot away from the left foot. Inhale and inhale. And 3 feet away and push your left hip outside. Keep your left hand above the left hip and keep your right hand and right elbow and right knee facing the right toe and check, and your right shoulder facing the right knee. Inhale, exhale. And once you go in here and keep your right elbow here and watch your left pectoralis, left shoulder. Ekam dvena त्रेण चतुरं पञ्चम षडम सप्तम inhale, exhale, free your shoulders and bring your left foot perpendicular to the right foot. Inhale, check, and your right hip here, and check your right knee facing the right toe and your left shoulder facing the left knee. Inhale, watch your right shoulder, watch your right shoulder, and bring your left elbow here and watch your right shoulder. Inhale, and ekam dvenam trenam chaturam panchama षडम सप्तम inhale, inhale, exhale. Bring your legs here. Free your legs. Free your legs. And free your legs. Free your legs. Free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, so bring your right foot perpendicular to the left foot. Now vinyasa and keep the same position. Your left hip here, left shoulder here, and right shoulder here. Alignment, check. Inhale and check your left shoulder. Inhale and go down. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. Your trunk straight and show. Then turn your neck. First watch your left hand. Trunk straight, watch your left hand, then turn your neck on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drop your shoulder, free your leg, bring your legs together, free your knee, free your left leg, gently freeing your legs and freeing your shoulders, freeing your arms front to back and freeing your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gently. Now the going in the other side and Virabhadrasana to Vinyasa, doing keeping your trunk straight and ensure and keep your hand here. Inhale, bring your elbow here, watch this. Ekam dvenam trenam chaturam panchama shadama saptama. Inhale, trunk straight. First wash your right hand, then wash your left hand. Ekam dvena trena chatura panchama shadhama saptama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Trunk straight, straight, and trunk straight, and your arms here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, exhale, drop your shoulders, free your legs, Purvottanasana, and stretching your knees into front, stretching your back gently, freeing your back, freeing your knees. Inhale and gently bring your legs closer and loosen your cruciate ligament, right cruciate ligament, right hamstrings, right gluteus major, right piriformis, right lumbosacrum, free it. Inhale, and now the left one, left knee, left soleus, left gastrocnemius, proclaimius, left hamstrings, quads, and left anterior cruciate ligament, gluteus major, piriformis, and left lumbosacrum, freeing it. Gently, and free your shoulders, free your spine, upper spine, and up and down, and gently, front and back, anterior, posterior, superior, inferior, and then gently axial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Gently free your shoulders and keep your right leg here. And we have finished that cycle. So the next cycle is going into balancing postures, Adhyatmika Krama, and freeing your leg and stand on your right leg and hold your left leg freely and freely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, exhale, free your left leg, free your knees, free your knees, free your knees, free your shoulders, free your arms, front and back, free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next is posterior and taking the leg from the front. Inhale, gently hold the leg like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale. Training the mind, the GPS, the deep, the parietal lobe areas, behind ear area and inside the brain area, temporal areas, deep temporal areas, programming those areas of your natural geographical positioning system, which train you see the depth, which trains you see the higher dimensions. Balancing, balancing. And freeing your legs, and freeing your shoulders, and freeing your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Strengthening your listening capacity, increasing audibility, getting over the deafness, because the world is so much of noise, so that produces the deafness. Now, because of the lockdown, so the world is free from the noise, you can see that. And freeing the leg and taking from the front portion, free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And stand on your left leg, free your knee, and take your right leg, hold your right foot, right ankle into the left hand, gently. Inhale. Take your right arm up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale and gently exhale. Bring your arm down. Free your leg and free your leg down. Free your back. Free your legs and free your waistline. Free your left knee and free your left hip joint and free it. Inhale, stand and free your back. Ekam dvena trena jatura panchama shadama saptama. Free your shoulders, drop your shoulders, free your back. The next one is the balancing, the standing on the right leg, lifting the left leg like this, and holding it like this. Ekam dvena trena chatura panchama shadama saptama. Inhaling, exhaling, bringing your leg down, freeing your leg, free your ligaments, because when you are standing there is a strain on your knee joint, freeing the knee, cartilage, especially cartilage is freeing. Your cartilage is the one which takes the entire load. So lubricating the cartilage again, increasing the blood circulation, increasing the oxygen, restoring its pH, restoring chondrocyte activity in your knee is very, very important. And dropping your shoulders. No hurry at all. You are seeing me how relaxed I am doing. The same way you should. Then only it repairs you. Your IGF gets secreted. Insulin-like growth factor, it repairs your damaged limbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Next Upavinyasa, balancing Upavinyasa, and standing Siddhasana. Inhale and lift your right leg and hold it like this and position yourself comfortably. Inhale, stretch your right arm up. ekam dvena trena chatura panchama षडम saptama. Inhale, exhale. Free your legs, free your back, free your cartilage, free your ligaments, free your tendons, and free your muscles, and your left leg, free muscles, and free tendons, free ligaments, and free cartilage, free bursa, and free all the muscles of your lumbar sacrum, sacroiliac, and now free your legs, and free your shoulders, and up and down, front and back, and then again going around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop your shoulders, free your shoulders. Next one is stand on your right leg and keep your left leg here balanced. Keep your hands on the hip, adjust your plane, trunk straight in the same plane. Your chest upright, inhale, and lift your spine up, inhale, and gently your arms up. Ekam dvena trena chatura panchama षडम saptama. Inhale, exhale, and bring your arms down. Free your arms, free your shoulders. Inhale, exhale, and stand on your left leg. Stand on your left leg. And bring your right leg here. Inhale, adjust your hip bone and lift your chest up and feel good lifting your trunk up. Inhale and open your arms up. Ekam dvena 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, exhale, free arms, free your scapula, free your rhomboid, freeing your scapula, and freeing your back. Ekam dvena 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So free your shoulders, free your back. Last balancing posture. We have done 4 balancing postures. This is the 5th balancing posture, which involves 3 postures. And the right leg into the front and gently and free and raise your arms up. Warrior 3 vinyasa. Inhale, free your trunk like this. Inhale and take your leg back and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Free your leg, free your back, free your leg, free your back, and free your shoulders, front and back, and gently and going back, freeing back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, bring your left leg into the front, your right leg on the back. Inhale, arms are freed, and gently inhale, and when you take your arms behind, stretch your right leg back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhaling, bringing your leg down, freeing your legs, freeing your legs, freeing your knee, freeing your legs. Legs freeing your groin is very important because here your femoral hernia, inguinal hernia, these areas are very, very important whenever you are stretching your leg. Otherwise it leads to herniation, it leads to prostration. That's why classical Surya Namaskara is not good because they put enormous pressure here. Whoever did it, the classical Surya Namaskara, invariably they had a herniation, invariably they had prostate problems. So that's why I understand the importance of freeing your legs, importance of freeing your muscles, your groin, adductors, mainly the adductors, inner thighs, freeing the adductors, very, very important, freeing the adductor muscles, very, very important. If your adductor muscles are not free, then definitely you will have prostate problems one day, hernia problems. That's why all the back problems because of the adductors, tightness in the adductors. So your adductors, inner thigh should be completely free. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Drop your shoulders, free your shoulders. And the next one, now we are ready to go into resistance exercise. Inhale and gently and free. Once again, free your arms. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and drop your arms, free your arms. And gently, your left leg here, right leg here, inhale, and gently exhale, inhale, and gently exhale, inhale, gently exhale, inhale. And you can do only Adhyatmika Krama, lying down also, but we do little bit resistance also. Inhale, your arms up, now let's go down, arms behind, and bring your arms down. Inhale, take your legs back, and your heel down, your trunk up. Ekam dvena trena chatura panchama shadhama saptama. Bring your knees down and free your back. Ekam dvenam trena chaturam panchama shadhama saptama. Free your shoulders, free your neck, and gently off down posture. Ekam dvena drena jatura panchama shadhama saptama. Your arms freely into the front, your neck drawn in, and your hip is in sagittal plane freely. Next is your right foreleg here, so right knee here, right forearm here. Inhale. Ekam dvena trena jaturam panchama shadhama saptama. Bring your leg down. Bring your foreleg Left forearm down, stretch your right leg, free it, drop it. Ekam dvena trena chatura panchama shadhama saptama. And bring your knee down and free your back. Elbow, forearm, half dog posture and free your back. Inhale and cross your fingers, and now zero resistance we have done, again resistance. Ekam dvena trina chatura panchama shadhama saptama. Ekam dvenam trina chatura panchama shadhama saptama. Gently from here and push your seat back, come in the front. Ekam dvena trena chatura panchama shadhama saptama. Lie down and free your legs. Ekam dvenam trena chatura panchama shadhama saptama. Left side. Ekam dvena trena chatura ekam dvena trena chatura ekam dvena trena chatura ekam dvena trena chatura. Inhale, legs up, bring your feet toes down, roll your seat left and right, free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Free your shoulders and free your back. And Ashtanga Namana, 8-point prostration. Pushing your seat up and dropping it down, preparing your waistline. Ekam, your waist is right side, neck is left side. Inhale, exhale, inhale, madhyama, center, inhale, exhale, waist on to the right, neck on to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Now moving into lower plank. Keep your elbows closed. Inhale, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. Moving in upper plank if you can. 1, 2. Urdhva Chaturangam. Urdhva Chaturanga Chalana Karishyami. Inhale, exhale, chalano atau chaturanga dandasanam karishyami. Inhale, urdhva chalano. Inhale, exhale, atah chalanam. Free your legs. Ekam dvena trena chatura. Cross your legs. 5, 6, 7. Bring your legs down, feet down, roll your seat. You bring your feet, roll your seat, and your feet on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, exhale, legs on to other side, neck on to right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Neck in the center, legs in the center. Inhale, feet on to right, neck on to left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale up, exhale down. Roll your seat, free your seat. Move your shoulders front and back, superior, inferior, anterior, posterior. Bring your hands beside your chest. Lift your shoulder, free your neck. Lift your legs, moving into pigeon. Atha Uchalanam, Kapotasanam, Karishyami. Inhaling. एकं द्वेन त्रीण चतुर पञ्चम षडम सप्तम. Bring your legs down, raise your neck up. एकं द्वेन त्रीण चतुर पञ्चम षडम Saptama. Now gently lifting your knees up. Urdhvam Adha Svanasana. Inhaling, exhaling, inhaling. Lift your left leg, lift your right leg, and then gently push your seat back. And free your back, your arms into front, half dog, push your seat back and gently, shoulders free, neck drawn in, fallen in, and forehead down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. Going back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Child pose and relaxing. 6, 7. Inhaling, going up, freeing elbow and your elbow, half dog posture, freeing it, freeing your shoulders, freeing your back, freeing your shoulders, freeing your neck, freeing your back. Now moving into down dog. Your arms into front, your knees up, heel down, look behind your feet. Ekam dvena trena chaturam panchama shadhama saptama. Ekam dvena trena chaturam Panchama Shadhama Saptama. Ekam Dvena Trena Chatura Panchama Shadhama Saptama. And now coming back, inhaling, exhaling, either jumping into the front or walking back, inhaling. Freeing your shoulders, front and back, freeing your shoulders, very important. Inhaling, exhaling, and freeing your shoulders up and down, superior, inferior, inhaling, freeing your scapula, and gently, and freeing your back, inhaling, exhaling, inhaling, and freeing your knees, and your arms here, inhaling, and going up, inhaling, and going up, exhaling. And now we have done resistance and also low resistance, medium resistance, and then we have done, that is endurance and medium resistance and zero resistance we have combined. For all the muscles we have done. Now gently inhale, exhale, your left foot here, right foot here, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, drop your arms, and now gently free your back, free your back, free your back. Now gentle practice, next practice is and zero resistance, low intensity, and low intensity and low resistance or zero resistance. Do this. Inhale. So let us do low resistance, medium resistance, low resistance, and low intensity. Inhale, exhale. Now bend your knees, jump back. Inhale, exhale, don't go down. Inhale, up. Inhale, free your shoulders. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, gently, your knees bend, jump. Inhale, free your shoulders. Inhale, exhale, inhale. This is challenging. If you can do, you do it. Inhale, exhale, inhale, gently, exhale, exhale, inhale, inhale, and exhale, exhale, and gently inhale, and free your shoulders, and drop your shoulders, inhale, exhale, inhale, up. Once again, exhale, bend your knees, jump, exhale, hold there, go down, lower plank, stay there, inhale, up dog, down up, exhale, down dog to down dog, inhale, bend your knees and jump, inhale, free your shoulders, and drop your shoulders, free your knees, exhale, inhale. Once again, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, free your shoulders, exhale, exhale. Gently inhale and free your shoulders, gently lift your shoulders, drop them, and free your knees. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Now, next one is doing low intensity, low resistance. Low intensity, low resistance. Inhaling, exhaling, and shifting. Next pace will be different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Drop your shoulders. Free your shoulders. Inhale. Your arms up. See this, falling. It is all floating and falling. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Floating, falling as if your body is in the air floating. Exhale. Inhale. Don't apply any resistance. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And exhale. Inhale. Body becomes lighter, free, just floating. Falling. Exhale. Flying. Inhale. Exhale. Falling. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And free your shoulders. Free your shoulders. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Free your shoulders. Free your shoulders. Exhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And gently free your shoulders up and down, front and back, and free your knees. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And free your shoulders. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. That is zero resistance, low resistance, and low resistance, low intensity. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Now the next one is low intensity. Ekam dvena trena yatura panjama shadama saptama. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Free your shoulders. Your left leg here, right leg here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Drop your arms. Free your arms. Free arms. Once again, free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Vertical, making your residual volume completely zero and filling in your lungs. Inhale, exhale. See this now. 1 inhalation, 3 exhalation. Inhale. Tidal volume filling your lungs 6 liters. Resistance, muscle, now feeling good in the muscle. Exhaling, dropping your shoulder. Next one, charging, vortex rotation, inhaling, low intensity and so load factor and frequency factor. Inhaling, exhaling. Your residual volume has become 0. You need to fill your tidal volume back. Exhale. Once again. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Drop your shoulders. Free your shoulders. Next. Again 3. 1 inhalation, 3 exhalation. Making residual volume very important. Forced exhalation only makes 0. No CO2 should be there. Once again. Once again. You can see how much chest puffs up. Your lungs, your rib cage in your control. You can feel your lungs are full. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Now, the latest paper, I have circulated it to my students. The problems of COVID-19 in endurance athletes, those who are running, how much they are prone, how much they are suffering. The research shows the lungs capacity is so low. They are struggling a lot, understand? And lucky that, so that senator and that from Connecticut, and so Dr. Saad Anwar, a Pakistani American settled doctor, and he could invent a distributor, and so one ventilator, 7 patients can get benefited. Everyone working very hard because ventilator shortage. So one ventilator feeding 7 patients is very useful. Remember, no pressure, only supply of oxygen is required. No pressure. Pressure means it's like a bubble. Already your lung is weak, bronchial is weak, it gets burst. Free your shoulders. That's why oxygen, don't deprive oxygen in your house. Ventilate properly. Don't put on AC as far as possible. It lowers oxygen, and refrigerated food lowers the oxygen. So always oxygen rich, oxygen rich. All antioxidants, all the spices enriches your oxygen. These kind of exercises boost your oxygen conservation, not oxygen consumption. Next one is doing. So we have done this. The next one is O gas come in, O gas go out. How light, don't jump like this. Jump like a bird, jump like floating. You're just floating. How light? You float. Then your cartilage gets repaired. If you try to kick the flow, it is not kick jumping. Kicking means you are first harming your knee, creating high load of inertia. Your knee gets damaged. The way you jump, you're simply floating. It's like this. Not like, if you do like this, your tendons are out, your ligaments are out, and your cartilage is out, your bone is out. That's called destruction. The same jump I am saying you, it is a science behind it. It is like a paint, like a music. So gentle it is. The next one. Inhale, hold it. Very powerful breathing exercises. These are pranayamas, powerful box breathing techniques. Understand? The next one, so is the same thing. Oh guests come in, oh gods go out to bless others. Oh gods come in to bless others, to protect us. Oh gods protect everyone from coronavirus. Your body should just move gently, freely. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Drop your shoulder. Free your shoulder. Inhale. Exhale. And gently freeing your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next. Sit. Programming, synchronization, left leg, right hand. Breath changes. These are all during the childhood. So what you have to teach now in the children? At home. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. And free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next. Gamana Yoga, Tibetan walking. Tibetan walking. Floating in the air. Floating in the air. Floating in the air. Inhale. Exhale. All these are powerful anabolic, powerful catabolic, powerful bone density, anaerobic, anabolic, protein synthesis to produce antibodies, to protect your immunity and to grow your cell, to increase your bone density and to charge your cell membrane, so that why these protein molecules should enter inside and lock upon ACE2 receptor. If the cell membrane is highly charged, if your cell membrane is highly charged and that corona cell membrane is weak, remember, and it gets shocked, it can't even enter inside. Understand? More mitochondria, more cell membrane gets charged. This is a way to charge your cell membrane of the lungs. This is a way to strengthen COVID-19 protection plan. Protection, not personal protection equipment, personal protection exercise, very, very important. What is more important than when you go out, PPE, when you are inside, personal protection exercise, PPE, very, very important. Every activity at home should be PPE, personal protection exercise. Remember, that only helps. Without exercise, COVID virus make feast of you. So let us not give a chance. Don't make feast for yourself and don't make feast for COVID. Let us keep it at bay. Free your shoulders and free your back. And what else? 3 more. Going into. The more tapping frequency, the quicker the density you build. That is, contains highest tapping. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now once again, you need to build oxygen inside the cell. How you will do it? Free your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See this. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Stay there. Inhale, exhale. There's a way to feel again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. See back. Exhale. Inhale. You feel again fully energized. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Free your shoulders. Exhale. Inhale. That's the way you charge. Again, you fuel your lungs full of oxygen. The resistance is to build the oxygen. Otherwise, when you do intensity, ultra marathon runners means above 42.5 kilometers or even less than that. So they do, lungs become weak. They must do resistance to fill and to make their lungs strong. Unfortunately, they don't do resistance. The one who does the resistance won't do intensity. The one who does intensity won't do resistance. With this, the one who is doing resistance, his heart is shrinking, and the one who is doing endurance, his lungs are shrinking. Understand? Fitness is, yoga is all about krama balance. Krama balance. It is a science behind it, and when you do, it should look like an art. What sequence you follow, how you do follow. I explained today before each sequence what is the purpose of it. Is it low intensity, low resistance, medium intensity, medium resistance? What is the low intensity? What is how to make residual value in 0? How to make your tidal value maximum. That's how yoga is the most sophisticated, highest level of tool of protection, of fitness. It is not just about flexibility. It gives you power, speed, endurance, resistance, strength, high strength, medium strength, low strength, balance and suppleness, flexibility. And 0 resistance. It gives lightness to the body, not like a gym rat and not like a gym tiger. There is no gym rat, gym tiger. Not like walking into the gym and coming out like a tiger, and coming out the tiger feeling so heavy muscle puffed up. And you are like a tiger if a deer comes, So if you have to struggle more than 15 minutes, all the testosterone, you can't run, you have no endurance, strength. The person who is coming out of the gym with the muscle, he has no endurance. Very quickly tired, by afternoon itself he is tired. He feels very hungry, he has to eat 50 eggs, 20 eggs, 1 kg chicken, 1 kg this. The one who consumes dies quickly. Don't become a gym tiger, predator. We have to become like an ant, socializing, feeling lighter, So, and yet, ant can take more weight, 3 times his body weight. What else you need the power more than that? So, understand the dynamics of yoga. Inhale, physiology of yoga. Exhale, kramas of yoga. Inhale, it is not for dummies. Yoga is for brilliant, effulgent minds. A dull mind becomes effulgent with the highest wisdom. And gym and all this athlete training, soldier training is a dull-minded. It makes you dull, it makes you aggressive, it makes you egoistic, testosterone boosting, it makes you a fighter, not a person to love. Your life is not for fight. We have to learn to love, not fight. Understand? Whatever programming you do. So do dharana. Let's see. So tomorrow whether we can do dharana part again. So already dharana recordings are there, lying down, observing every part of the body as per the sound, as I am chanting in Sanskrit, followed by in English. Understand? And then do that. That takes you to samadhi. This is what at home, strengthening yourself. Swadharmo shreyaha, paradharmo nishreyaha. Inhale, Exhale and free your back, free your shoulders. Lie down, stretch your legs into front and free your feet, free your back. Free your back. up and down, left and right, gently, gently to the top of the skull, the entire skull. Observe, relax, entire body free, entire body. Observe, observe, relax, relax, observe, entire body. Gently move your feet, free your shoulders, your hand on the chest, free your shoulders. Gently rub your palms, join your hands, rub your palms, hug them to your eyes, and gently clearing roots of your eyes, clearing roots of your eyes, gently, nicely massaging your face, and open your eyes inside your palms. Astu darshanam varishyami uttitam jananam. Raise your knees up and free your waistline, free your back, and gently cross your fingers, stretch your arms up, stretch your arms behind, free your neck, free your neck. Once your arms are behind, free your neck, gently raise your arms up, bring your arms in the front, free your shoulders, free your shoulders, free your back, raise your neck up, free your shoulders, and free your back, and come into the front and free your shoulders. Dandasana. Free yourself, and let us end today a long session. So we end because it will be loaded separately, the practice, because at least every alternate day. So we have a practice session, so that practice session every day in the evening you can, or in the morning, or both the times you can practice. Namaste Akasha, Namaste Vayo, Namaste Tejo, Namaste Apo, Namaste Prithvi. Oh space, I adore you, for you contain a bigger world. Oh air, I am here because of you, I adore you. Oh fire, you are the cause of life, you are the singularity. Oh fire, I adore you. Oh water, without you, what flows inside? Nothing flows. You are a flow of continuum of life. Oh water, I adore you. Oh, you are so great, you enjoy everything. All our sin, all our abuses. Oh, earth, how great you are, I adore you. Namo Panchabhutani, oh element without where these elements inside. Namo Brahmane, oh consciousness, oh divine, you pervade everything, you run everything. Please, oh consciousness, take care of human consciousness. Satyam vadishyami. May I realize the reality around me to nurture me, nurture around me. Rutam vadishyami. Let me experiment, Let me experience the way the nature is that nurtures me. Oh nature, you are great. Tvamevam Brahmasi. Everything is in us. What is in us? Everywhere we are the same. We are one. Everything that flows in, flows out is one. Avatu Mam. Let us realize. Avatu Vaktaram. We stay protected. Oh Lord, bless us. Om Shanti. O peace pervading. Om Shanti. O peace profuse all being. Om Shanti. O peace spread everywhere. Amen. May that be done. What is said be done. Allahu Akbar. Allah. Hare Om. Hare Om. That's it. May Allah Tawheed, may Advaita Parabrahma be. May we all realize for self-realization, self-actualization. Oh Lord, help us. Oh Lord, protect us. We are like children. We don't understand your wisdom, the way you function. In all our stupidity, we question, we make choice to burn like this. Oh Lord, how great you are. Forgive us all our sin and make us saint. Take us with you. Namaste. May all of you be protected. May all of you, your friends, your family, and may all of you be taken care. Namaste.